Hi, I'm Pawel, I make games, and I'm gonna show you what can happen if you leave a single debug.log in a dangerous place in your project. Here we have a simple main camera and a spawner which spawns 20 rows of a given prefab. As you can see, we have some moving objects over there, and if we click this stats button we can see that on my machine this game runs above 200 frames per second. We also need this profiler tab, which is under Window, Analysis, Profiler. There you can see some data on the graph and in the table below. As you can see, we render one frame in 6 milliseconds on average, but sometimes we hit a spike and then we get 13 milliseconds. Alright, now in the script in which we move our game object every frame towards a given target, and as we reach the target we get a new one, we want to use debug.log position difference. Okay, so previously we had around 200 FPS. I don't know why now we have around 400. And our graph looked normal. Now as we hit play, we can see that our game is dead basically. Just because this one debug.log. Of course it's called more than 1000 times per second, but it's still just a debug.log function. Let's see in the profiler what do we have. We have 77 milliseconds for one frame. Open player loop. And now the most expensive thing is update script run behavior update. And there is our log string to console, which takes 65 milliseconds. As you can see, it's terrible, but let's exit the play mode and give it one more shot. Maybe that's because we want to log a vector2 there. So now let's use speed, which is a static float. It is shared between every game object with this motion script. Okay, enter the play mode again, and let's see what has changed. Nothing at all. Now you know that you should remove your debug.log if you don't need to use it anymore. Without that, we are back at 200 FPS. Have a good day and see you soon.